Good day and welcome again to another 8downloads.com software preview, and this is Chris, and today we're going to discuss more about media info, and this time we are going to know how to find a file format using media info. Of course, if you have already downloaded the media info, or if you haven't downloaded it, just go ahead to 8downloads.com/media info and click the download now button. Now, if you have installed Media Info, let's begin with our exploration. So this time you have to open a file. Sometimes when you open a file, uh, let's say it's a video, let's go to Drive D instead because I have a lot of video. If you have Windows 7, or of course if you have a Vista, the moment that you scroll in here, um, it will indicate already the video type. Like as you can see here, it's an MP4. But sometimes uh, you want to know more about what MP4 was that. So all you have to do is just go ahead and try to click that out, or maybe this one. And then as you can see, it's a WMV video, a Windows Media video. But apparently that's what you're seeing now. But with Media Info, you can actually change the view to either sheet, so you can know more, or you can even go to 3 type of view, which is what I like because it has everything in it, including the duration and everything. So by just changing the view, you would unlock more features. And let's go back to the basic, and you can even go to the website for this video codec, and at the same time it offers a lot of things. So this is Chris saying thanks for viewing this video and enjoy using your media info.